Hello, welcome to part 54 of the Design Tutorial series. In continuation of the HVAC system we began to add to the office model we've been creating, today we are going to be drawing or creating restaurant pipes that connects the indoor and outdoor. In our previous tutorial, we looked at how to add air terminals and went on to add equipment and create ducts that connects the indoor unit and the ducting system. I will mention that our ducting system will be free return. That means there will be no need for us to draw a return duct that connects the return air terminals. And we looked at how to create transition. Mentioned that Revit automatically create transition when you reduce the size of the next duct, that's the continuing duct. And also looked at how to create offset and to align ducts and how to add end caps. So these are basic tips on various ways in which you could create ducts. Alright, so let's just move on to creating of the refrigerant pipes. So click on the equipment, you see some buttons here. We have three here. This means this automatically creates the refrigerant pipes that supply refrigerant to this equipment. This automatically creates the refrigerant pipes that takes refrigerant pipes away from takes refrigerant away from this equipment. And why this particular icon, once I click it, creates a pipe that takes away the condensate water. Alright, so condense, when there is cooling, obviously there will be condensation. So this piping takes care of that. So we're only interested in this tool for now. Maybe in the subsequent video we are going to look at how to, and we are still going to consider this and route it to the plumbing system. I think that's better. So for now, let's just click on this particular one here, and let's take it to this point here. Yeah, right. Move it here. Remember our outdoor unit is around this corner here, so we're going to take it to this point. Let's allow for, okay. Let's take it here and a little bit outward, right? So at this point, I'm going to change the elevation to 0, right? Change it to 0. Yes, and then click escape. Alright, so we could decide to, let's go click on the modify to from align. I want this to align with the, okay, let's just move it away from the wall a bit. Okay, alright, yes. So let's click on the equipment again and let's draw another, this particular one here, and here like this. Okay, continue. Here we go. Then we'll change the elevation to 0 as well. 0, right? And we are good, right? So I want to change the color of this particular refrigerant pipes to red, right? So this is how to change colors of piping system. All you need to do is to go to under the project browser, go to the family. If your family is if the family heading is compressed, all you need to do is to click on this plus sign here, go to piping system. Yeah, piping system. Check what piping system is this. Let's click on this pipe and see what piping system is this. I think this should be hydronic return. Okay, so in that case I'll go to hydronic return. Alright, go to type properties. I want the color to be red, right? So I just write red. That's fine. Okay, apply. You can change fluid type, right? You can change fluid type, but for now, let's allow it to be water, right? You can change it to a glycol, propylene glycol, and so on. These are various refrigerants, and but for now, let's just leave it as default. So that's changed already. Then I'll go to hydronic supply, right click on type properties, go to edit, and change the color to red, right? Okay, apply. So this is great. So I'll go straight to the ground floor. Let me go to the ground floor, mechanical ground floor. Let me click on the mechanical here. Um, okay. Supposed to have ground floor, but notwithstanding. Now, if you check, we are supposed to have a separate floor here, maybe L1 that represents the ground floor, which is not here. So if a particular view is missing, how do you create it? Alright. So you could either go to plumbing, and duplicate this. Okay, let's duplicate this. Duplicate this view, duplicate view, and we are going to name it edit. Let's edit it. We'll name it to L1 mech, right? L1 mech. Okay. So all you need to do is to first for change the view template to none, right? So what is the view template we have here? We already have it at none. That's great. Okay, so apply another view template. So I'm going to apply the template properties. In this case, I'm going to change this to mechanical plan, and discipline. I'll go to discipline, mechanical, apply properties. Okay, you see that it will disappear to this point here. Okay. So it has actually appeared here. So I'm going to click on this now, and so here. So this is where I'm going to draw the remaining part of the pipes that connect to the outdoor. Here, look at our outdoor. We need to rotate it. Rotate 180 degrees, or maybe let's make it 90. No. Let's make it. Let's rotate it to lap with the wall, right? By 90. Here we have our hydronic connections here, right? So I'm going to create this, click this, and I'll stop here, right? Then I'll create another one. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay. So what I'll check the elevation of the what elevation is this? This is 224, right? So click on this and change the elevation to 224. Alright. And go to align. Click on this particular pipe here and align. Alright. So just drag the dotted line, the dot there, to create a pipe. Join it immediately. Then Repeat the same process for this. Click on it, check the elevation. This is 224. Change elevation here to 224. Then go to align, view. Sorry, we go to modify tab, modify. Go to align. Click here and click here. Then just click on it, drag and drop. Okay, so maybe the pipe sizes are different, but for the sake of trial, we'll just allow it like that. So we can move our equipment a little bit inwards, and we may decide to move it towards this part so that the pipe coming down will not clash with the window. Remember, we have our vent pipe at this point, so it will be perfect to have this here. So this is it. All right. So let's connect the condensate drain pipe to the toilet. All right. So let's click on this. Click on this plumbing pipe here. It may not be visible. All right. Except you go to plumbing view. But notwithstanding, let's just create it here. Okay, we need to move a little bit further. Let's look at the elevation here. All right. Okay, go to view. Change the level. Okay, let's let's take it down. I want it to go below the production pipe. We'll go like that. Okay. So in this case now I'm going to take it closer to the equipment so that as soon as it leaves the equipment, there's an able to take it below the production pipe. So let's change the view to see medium. Let's say hidden lines, wireframe. Let's say fine. Okay. So this is it. All right. So the drainage pipes, the condensate pipes comes below the but still in the ceiling level. All right. So let's go to the floor. Let's go to the plumbing plan. Expand the plumbing plan here. Let's go to here. Let's change the view range to so we can be able to see what is above. View range, yeah. View range. Let's increase this to 3.5 or 3600. So apply. So we can see plumbing pipes. So we can just create pipe, draw. So let's just take it all the way. Take it all the way. So we're going to move it a little bit further so that we can allow it create enough to create the fittings to connect to this particular pipe here. So I will drag and just drop. Perfect. Oh, this is okay. Skip. So from here I'm going to take it a little bit down. Okay. Let me create a pipe. Create similar. Let's create a pipe so that the elbow is inside the wall. Let's see. Oh, it's creating it. Okay. Let's leave it like that. Well, let's move this inside the wall. Let it be inside the wall. Okay. So this is perfect. So let's move this to inside the wall as well. So let's check the 3D and see how it will look like. Save. Look look at what we've created so far. So you see, look at the pipe connects straight, and if we decide to check, click on the wall, you see how this thing is being connected. See the pipe goes all the way down, and by the side of the window, outside, and down to where we have it. So I'll try for the ends here. Don't forget to like and share my video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss out on subsequent videos on this particular topic. Also try and practice on your own. If there's any challenge, drop on the comment section and I'll attend to it. Alright, see you in the next